Welcome to the abandoned estate. Phil Wrench here. Starting on this project. We've kind of started already just because we had to for time reasons. But started getting all the trees cut down that were around this. I'll probably post some pictures in with this video of what it looked like before and in the process of getting these trees removed. But it's the house isn't that really that old. It was built in 2018, but the owner passed away, and my brother and I are taking it over and getting it fixed up and cleaned up. And yeah, it's been a real mess, but got the dump trailer out here. We've hauled numerous loads of garbage out of this place. It's the house is big enough to be a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, but the way that it was configured, it was only a single bedroom and like a 1.5 bath. But it's got a couple structures on it, like a couple hoop barns, and then a little pole shed. Those are all completely packed full of stuff that we haven't even started on yet. But I'll take you inside. We have done some work on the inside. I'll post some pictures in the video of that. And here we are. So walking in through I guess this would be the side door. There used to be walls. I don't know exactly what this is, but we've got all kinds of demolition piles and stuff. There's still some personal effects in here. That's where one of the bathrooms was. Utility room, washer, dryer, all that stuff. But as you can see, it's a mess, and this house was completely full. So like I said, we had to pull out a ton of garbage out of here and personal items and things like that. But it's coming along, slow but sure. Still got a lot of stuff to get out of here yet, because we have to make it nice and pretty again so a new family can enjoy it. This was the master bedroom. That's going to get bigger. The hallway to nowhere. And then this is the main bath. Flick the light on here. This is kind of interesting. They got the big whirlpool tub and a sauna. And then of course all the other stuff there. Plumbing. Kind of a mess, but we'll make it nice and livable again. So today I'm going to, you saw the brush piles of all the trees and stuff that we cut down outside. And I brought the skid steer down today with the grapple bucket. I'll show you what the garage looks like. It's still full of stuff too yet, but yeah, this is no light in here, of course, but I guess I think it's a garage and a half, or a car and a half garage, but that'll all have to get fixed up too. But a lot of work to do. So this main room is going to be split into 2 bedrooms, nice sized bedrooms with big closets, and then a big passageway into the kitchen living room area. There'll be a full-size bathroom in here, a big foyer, obviously. So this is the side door, but it's kind of the main entrance. That's where that is. But the front door is actually over here. But the house is shifted, so you can't even get in through that door, and then there's a big rock in front of it, so that doesn't really work that well. But I'm going to go ahead and get started, but I wanted to show you what the project is that we're working on, and we'll be doing updates on this one. I know this is a little different than the normal channel of fixing cars and things like that, but this is kind of a nice little project for my brother and I to to work on and make it a nice little home for somebody and maybe a starter family. This is on about 2.5 acres, and there's an additional 8 acres that the new owners can purchase along with this property if they want to. It's farmland right now. Kind of just take you around back of the house. I'm going to clean up all this garbage today. There is a little deck on the back. Nice little place, steel roof. It's got good bones, that's why we chose to fix it up. Everything's just really overgrown. Hasn't really been touched in a long time. It's out back of one of the hoop barns. There's just a ton of stuff that we need to get cleaned up. Neat little place. That is the neighbor's property over there with the trailer house. What a beautiful day. It's about 70 degrees out today. Perfect working weather. Try to get some work done here and keep going on this project. Stay tuned for more. I'll have another update video probably here at the end of the day and show you what it looks like once I get all of the brush and stuff cleared up. Alright, well, I'm done with the skid steer for the day. I got all the branches and stuff and all that garbage. I got that big rock moved out of the way. Man, that thing was a monster. Skid steer didn't really like that much, but it did get it, and so that's good. Just do another quick little walk around so you can kind of see now that all that brush is cleaned up. Looks every time you do it, it just starts looking just a little bit better, and we're getting there. Still a little bit more to do. I want to rip that deck off too, but I blew a hydraulic line on the skid steer, so unfortunately I'm done for the day. Have to go get a couple hoses made. These crazy grapples, they should have some limiters on them and know what the pinch points are, but maybe it's just my lack of experience, I don't know. Anyway, that's how it looks now. Piled up some more garbage. I'll have to sift through that, just because it's a combination of plastic and metal and wood and all that kind of garbage. But I can take you back here and show you the wood pile. Got a little bit more stacked up now. Sorry if there's some wind noise. It's a little windy out here today. But there's the wood pile all stacked up. I kind of smashed it down, and then when it's a not so windy day, we'll go ahead and get that burned up. Well, thanks for watching. Have a great day.